Guided Devotional Meditation, Connect with Your Inner Divinity. Hi, and welcome to this guided devotional meditation session. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, peaceful meditation practice to help you connect with your inner divinity. Whether you're looking for a way to calm your mind or deepen your spiritual connection, this meditation will guide you. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit, close your eyes, and let's begin. We'll start with a short prayer. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel any tension leave your body. Now, silently repeat this prayer after me. Divine light, guide me in this moment of peace. May I feel your presence and love. Now, let's focus on our breath. Breathe in slowly for 4 seconds, hold for 2, and gently exhale for 6 seconds. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed. Let go of the stress and noise in your mind. Repeat this breathing cycle a few more times, sinking deeper into calmness with each exhale. Now, we'll move into mantra meditation. Choose a word that resonates with your devotion. This could be on God, divine, or another sacred word from your tradition. As you inhale, silently say the word in your mind, and as you exhale, imagine this word filling your heart. Feel your connection to the divine grow stronger with each repetition. For the next few minutes, we'll practice visualization. Picture a radiant light shining down from above, entering the top of your head and filling your entire body. This light represents the divine, surrounding you with love, peace, and protection. As you breathe, imagine this light expanding out from your heart, filling the space around you. Now, shift your focus to gratitude. Think of 3 things you're thankful for today. It could be as simple as the air you breathe or the love of a friend. As you think about these blessings, feel deep gratitude in your heart. Offer these feelings of thanks to the divine. Let's sit in silence for the next 30 seconds, allowing these feelings of peace, light, and gratitude to fill you completely. As you're ready, slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Gently open your eyes and place your hands over your heart in a gesture of gratitude. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. I hope it brings you peace and a deeper connection with the divine. Please share your experience in the comments below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more guided meditation.